53.1 to seek a statement from the Standing Committee on Land, Environment and Natural Resources on a matter of nationwide concern regarding the impact of industrial air emissions from cement and steel manufacturing companies in the country. Mr. Speaker, cement and steel production in Kenya plays a significant role in economic development through job creation, revenue generation, regional trade, and support for government initiatives such as affordable housing. However, this, can I be protected, Mr. Speaker?
Senator Boni, take your seat.
Thank you. However, these industries also present environmental and public health concerns, particularly through air pollution, reduced feasibility, respiratory illness, and ecosystem degradation in areas hosting such facilities.